What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pit Master. Guys, I have been on extended vacation, so that's why you haven't heard from me. Been to Belize and then Hawaii, and I'm just not getting back into the swing of things here to be able to give you some great news. So I gave my team this morning 34,010, which of course I was anticipating 34,023, which is a resistance line on my phone, on my computer. My resistance is all the way up at 34,085, and really that's a zone between 119 and 085. Now, why is the Dow Jones buying so much? What's going on in the market? Well, just like I said in another video, oil prices were going to decline. And look at oil now. Oil is at 89.47. When I told you this, it was at 115. And I said gas prices are going to be dropping at the pump, guys. So just pay attention and be ready for that to happen. Um, and on another note, Disney is doing exceptionally well. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Disney. Disney is on its way to 138.34. That's where I see Disney going, as well as the airlines, guys. The airlines are making a comeback. American Airlines, look at this run that American Airlines did coming from the bottom, man. It basically moved as of 27 July. It bottomed out at 1331 and it just topped out at 1553. But if you look, it still has room to grow. So I'm looking at American Airlines at $17.88. Uh, this is a pretty cool one. Matterport Inc. It's a good stock, cheap, but it reached its peak here at $7.43. Let's look at a higher time frame to see if it has more growth in it. If it can weather this storm, because it's already overbought, but if it can weather this storm, you can see Matterport going all the way up to $8.55, but not before it drops back down to $5 at least. Is what I'm seeing. I could be wrong because it did drop back in the purple, and it does have room for another zigzag here, where it's going to look like this going up, right? And then that's going to push this reversal above where this is to hit the EMA, and then it can possibly come back down. All right. So that's what I'm looking for that one to do. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been topsy turvy. Like it literally hit 25,000 and then came back down. So I'm looking for Bitcoin um, to stay in the consolidation zone. Okay. And that's within this area right here. If you look, if I put a box around it, this is Bitcoin's general area here. From this box, and I'll say it's about there. Yeah, that's about good. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to kind of stay in this range, roughly 23,599 to 24,654. I'm looking for it to stay in this range for a little bit and then decline possibly here. Once it drops out of this box, it will probably come back down to this level here at 23,500. And if it exceeds that, which I don't see right now because it's already very low on the RSI, I just see it ranging between here and there. But if it does, you can look for Bitcoin to come right back down to close this out all the way to 20,818. Okay. Um, Dow Jones looking for, I need this sucker to decline because we are in a sale temporarily and we have a buy position already ready. But right now, the sell position is the one I want to really take over the market and come down and complete this lesson, 33,900, and then close this out at 33,855, then drop about 40, 50 pips below that. Once it hits this mark right here at 855, 852, somewhere in there, looking for it to drop down to at least 33,800. Okay, that's my number. And I'm going to post this right now so you guys can get in on it. Lastly, make sure you're looking at Forex Factor to see what's going on. The Audi and the NZD have news at 10 o'clock tonight. So look for those things to really make a move possibly tonight. I don't think this impacts the market, honestly, even though it's a lot of red. folders. I don't think this one really impacts the market on the New Zealand dollar. And the Australian dollar wage price index, yeah, whatever. But the core retail sales coming out tomorrow at 8:30, that's going to make an impact on the market. The forecast right now is sitting at for Ricans, 0.1. What did it do last time? Let's see what it did last time, and then I gotta go. Wednesday. Why did it drop me? Last time the forecast was at 7, and it actually went to 1%. Okay, that was July 15th. Let's see real quick what the market did July 15th when core retail sales was predicted at 1 point. Look at this market just jump. It's doing, I call it stair stepping. Anyway, let me go to July 15th. Wow, it's way back there. Right here. Okay, here we go. July 15th, right here. All right, so core retail sales, look what happened. 14th, we had this little drop that early morning, then bam, that's like a shot up. So core retail sales, let's look at it again, was forecasted for 7. Previously, it was at 6. They forecasted 1 higher, and it went all the way to 1, which drove the market. So look for core retail sales. They're saying 0.1, which is lower. They're expecting the market to decline here tomorrow morning, if that's the case. And if it's below that 0.1%, then you can look for the market to kind of drop as a result of it. But if it does boost up, look for the market to run exceptionally well. Let's see, was that US30 alert? Where did you go, US30? Let's see where it is. Which one of my alerts went off just now? Oh, great. Yes, the decline is happening. So I'm very excited about this. Anyway, let me post this because you guys need to get in on it. All right, I'm out.